Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at one of the most feature-packed lightweight drones you can buy right now, the Potensic ATOM 2 Fly More Combo. If you've been searching for a drone that delivers pro-level features like 4K video, 8K photos, extended range, and AI tracking while staying under 249 grams, this might be the perfect upgrade. Let's start with the camera. The ATOM 2 includes a 4K video camera with 8K photo capability, mounted on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This stabilization system keeps your footage smooth even in windy conditions, and the high-resolution sensor delivers crisp detail, vibrant colors, and excellent clarity whether you're shooting landscapes, travel content, or action shots. The drone supports vertical shooting, ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The new AI night shot mode uses advanced image enhancement to keep low-light photos sharp and bright. Combined with AI noise reduction, your nighttime scenery and city shots look far more professional than what typical mini drones offer. Performance is where the ATOM 2 stands out. You get a 10 km transmission range, giving you long-distance control with stable video feedback. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, giving up to 96 minutes of total flight time, perfect for long sessions, travel adventures, or content creation. The drone weighs under 249 grams, which means in many regions it can be flown without registration. Despite being ultralight, the ATOM 2 handles well with responsive controls and strong GPS stability. It also includes AI track, allowing the drone to automatically follow subjects for hands-free filming. Whether you're running, cycling, hiking, or shooting cinematic travel clips, AI track keeps you in frame. The new RC PTD 1 remote is comfortable, stable, and designed for long sessions. Intelligent flight modes, return to home, waypoint routes, and quick shots make flying simple even for beginners. If you want a lightweight drone that combines pro-grade image quality, long flight endurance, strong connectivity, and advanced AI modes, the Potensic ATOM 2 Fly More combo delivers huge value. Tap the link below to check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily tech reviews here on Gadgetverse.